Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, I want to discuss to you about exponential function. What is exponential function? Why is it important? The function is very important in math because it is used to model many real life situations. For example, population growth and decay, compound interest, economics, and much more. Then, definition of exponential function. This is the formula fx equals b to the power of x. Questions: how is this function different from functions that we have worked with previously? Then the answer is the exponent is the variable. Fx equals b to the power of x. B it means the base b greater than 0 and b is not equal 1. X equals the exponent, then x equals in a real number. Questions: if fx equals x cubed, an exponential function, so no. The graph of an exponential function, one of the most common exponential function is fx equals 2 to the power of x. The graph looks like this. So this is the graph. You can look this one. Then fx equals to the power of 2 to the power of x. Rather, the graph starts off slow but then increases very rapidly. So you can see this graph. Then the x minus axis y equals 0 is an asymptote. X can be any real number. For example, fx equals 2 square root of 3. Then 0 and 1 is the y-intercept. So this is the model exponential growth. Then another questions: what would a graph look like if b is between 0 and 1? For example, fx equals 1 half to the power of x. Then this is the graph. This is the model's exponential decay. So the graph starts off very high but then decrease very rapidly. The x-axis y equals 0 is asymptote. X can be any real number for any. So 0 and 1 is the y-intercept. Then we should recap. So definition: if x equals b to the power of x, so this is the recap. So this one, the base b greater than 0 and b is not equal 1. The exponent x is any real number, so this one. Then solving exponential equation, how to solve. Then another question: what is an exponential equation? An equation where the variables is the exponent. Example, 2 to the power of x equals 1/8. How do we solve this one? So any idea? So we have to, what if we change the right side to 2 to the power of negative 3? So 2 to the power of 3x equals 2 to the power of negative 3. So now, how to solve it? So now I want to show you how to solve. Set the exponents equal. If 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of negative 3, then x is question mark. So negative 3, so we need to check. So 2 to the power of negative 3 equals 1/8. Then 2x minus equals 1/8 rather. Then we have solved And then, solving exponential equation, first is express each side of the equation as a power of the same base. Set the exponents equal and solve. Check your answer. Then, main idea, if the bases are the same, set the exponent equal. Then, let's look at some example. Solve for x, 7 to the power of x minus 2 equals 7, 3x. Are the bases equal? So, this is equal. So, equal ba sila? So, yes, it is equal. So, set the exponent equal, solve for x. So, x minus 2 equals 3x. All we have here is a sample algebra problem. So, x equals negative 1. Then, we need to check the answer. So, this is how to get the negative 1. So, x equals negative 1. So, 7 to the power of x minus 2 equals 7 to the power of 3x. Then, 7 to the power of negative 1 times negative 2 equals 7. 3 times negative 1. So, 7 to the power of 3 equals 7 to the power of 3. So, equal siya. So, nakuha nato, na-check siya. Then, example number 2, solve for x. So, isolve jud nato si x. Are the bases equal? So, kani ba siya? Equal ba ni siya? No. Change the right side to simplify. So, we need to change the right side. So, this is what we call to change the right side. This one. So, solve. So, we can solve the t equals 2. Then, check your answer kung tama ba ang atong answer nga 2. Then, so, this 5 to the power of 4 minus t equals 25 to the power of t minus 1. Then, 5 to the power of 4 minus 2 equals 25 to the power of 2 minus 1. Then, 5 to the power of 2 equals 25, 1. So, this 1 equals 5 to the power of 2 equals 25. Then, 25. Then, nakuha na to ang answer. Check siya. Then, next is last example. This is the last example. Solve for x. So, we need to solve the x. 49x minus 2 equals 7 square root of 7. So, 7 times 7 equals 49. So, x equals 11, 4. Dayon, solution. So, we need to show our solution. So, the question is, equal ba ni sila? So, are the bases equal? So, no. We need to change the both side para makuha nato or ma-equal ba sila. So, na-change naman nato, na-solve naman. So, naara siya. Then, i-check na po nato ang answer. Check your answer. X equals 11, 4, 49. So, this 1. So, nakuha nato siya. Nakuha siya. So, na-check. Then, we need to review our topic for today. So, exponential function fx equals bx, then this one. So, this is the review of our discussion, this one. So, you can get it. Then, thank you for watching, everyone. God bless.